how to calculate how much a PIP is worth. In the previous section, we learned that the definition of a PIP is the smallest price change that a given exchange rate can make. Since most major currency pairs are priced to 4 decimal places, the smallest change is that of the last decimal point. As a result of this, the value of a PIP is going to be dependent on the quantity that is being traded. In fact, the monetary value of each PIP depends on 3 factors: the currency pair being traded, the size of the trade, and the exchange rate. Let's take a look at the euro versus dollar as an example. The exchange rate is 1.0542. In this case, the euro is the base currency. The US dollar is the quote currency. Next, we have to know the relationship between them. If we want to convert the base currency to quote currency, we multiply by the exchange rate. In this case, 1 euro is equal to 1.0542 US dollars. On the other hand, if we want to convert the quote currency to base currency, we divide it by the exchange rate. So, 1 US dollar is equal to 0.9485 euro. Another thing we have to realize is that a PIP value depends on the size of the trade. Because as previously said, a PIP is just a unit for measuring currency movement. It's meaningless without knowing how much we are trading. After we know the size of the trade, all we have to do is to use this formula. Then we can calculate how much a PIP is worth. If the trade amount is 30,000 euros, 0.0001 divided by 1.0542 multiply by 30,000 is equal to 2.85. 1 PIP is equal to €2.85. The reason why we use 0.0001 is because in the last section, we said that a PIP is the 4th decimal number for regular pairs. That's why it's 0.0001. Now, what if we are trading 100,000? Same here, just plug in the numbers. 0.0001 divided by 1.0542 multiplied by 100,000 is equal to €9.48. What if our account is denominated in US dollar instead of euro? What can we do? It's easy, we just have to convert the euro to dollar. By looking at the exchange rate, we have to convert the base currency to quote currency. So multiplying 9.48 by 1.0542, the answer is $10. For easier memorization, if the account is denominated in US dollar, and US dollar is on the right side of the exchange rate, for every 10,000 size of trade, 1 PIP is equal to 1 US dollar. Now let's take a look at another example, the dollar-yen. The exchange rate is 117.02. How much is a PIP if we are trading $250,000 in a euro account? Same as before, we just have to plug in the numbers. 0.01 divided by 117.02, multiply by 250,000. The answer is $21.36. This time we are using 0.01, is because as mentioned before, for yen-based currencies, a PIP is the 2nd decimal places. Since we want to know the amount in euro, we have to convert the dollar to euro. By looking at the exchange rate, we now have to convert the quote currency to base currency. So we divide 21.36 by 1.0542, 1 PIP is equal to €20.26.